I'm in the HRST warehouse today to showcase two products that I think will help improve the reliability and safety of your steam drum doors. The first product is our steam drum door upgrade, where we improve the ability to close and maintain proper sealing of the steam drum door, especially if your unit cycles. The first feature is our alignment feet that we weld onto the steam drum door. And these adjustable feet allow us to get good, or allow your operators to get good alignment of the door just as they're pulling that gasket, or pulling the door closed, so that the gasket doesn't get pinched inside the Manway ring. The second key feature is the Belleville washer stack that we engineer and retrofit to your steam drum door with the proper stud lengths and the proper sizing of the Belleville washers, so that when your drum reaches full pressure, and this gasket is collapsed slightly, and then you lower drum pressure when you cycle and come offline, these Belleville washers will keep the proper tension on that gasket, whether you're at full load or offline over the weekend. Because as you build drum pressure, this gasket gets slightly compressed as when you finally reach full HP steam drum pressure. So if you've done this retrofit, and you don't have to send an operator up to hot retorque because you've got Belleville washers, that then enables us to retrofit the end of your steam drum with this steam shield. The purpose of the steam shield is to protect operators from a gasket blowout. Now you need to have Belleville washers on your steam drum door so that you don't have to hot retorque. Once you've made this retrofit, now the operators can put this steam drum shield over this Manway door, put the shield on, and then not have to come back up into this area, this workspace. On a typical steam drum, you've got about 5 or 6 feet between this end of the steam drum and the handrail. So the operators have to walk down the platform and walk past this area. So with a steam shield, if there is a gasket leak or a gasket blowout, their protection is improved. This door is carefully designed with springs on each of these 4 studs. The springs will take the force and energy if there's a gasket blowout, and between the door flexing and the springs compressing, absorb that energy. That way we're not just ripping the door off. And the door is built with sides and a bottom, and there's a gap back here, which I'll explain in a second, that allows the steam to go up instead of out. This steam shield is positioned where the steam drum Manway door is right in this area. So once I take this shield off, you'll see a mock-up ring, and that ring is what would surround this drum door. So now I'm going to take the shield off so you can see the inside. First, we pull off these pins. I've removed the cotter keys, so it's quick and easy to pull them off for this video. Remove the springs. Pull off the door. Set it to the side. And now we see the insulation ring that comes with this steam shield. We provide this ring with the attachment pins with our retrofit kit. Now the steam drum Manway ring and the steam drum door, they're inside this cavity. So we'll size this insulation ring to fit around the existing steam drum Manway ring. The insulation ring welds to the steam drum, and then the pins attach to the ring. These pins are removable so that during an outage, you can pull out the individual pins, pull out the bigger pin, and get all this hardware out of the way so that when maintenance and mechanics are in there working on the drum, inside the drum, they're not getting themselves hung up on these big pins. So between the Belleville washer retrofit and the steam shield, you'll improve the reliability of the drum door sealing and improve the safety of the arrangement to protect the operators and the mechanics working in this area. Thank you.